So, it is a slightly beautiful day. It's not really a 100% beautiful day, but it is. Oh, I forgot my truck keys. Can you get my truck keys? Pretty please. Bestest brother in the world. So it's kind of a nice day outside. We're gonna clean the garage out and you guys are gonna come along because we wrapped some headers yesterday and there is fiberglass everywhere. Yeah, you see that glinting? Look at that. All that's fiberglass. So we're gonna get this garage clean, but the headers, plus this is getting annoying. These headers though, look at that. Look how nice they are. Ceramic coated and wrapped. Fox body is about to shoot some flames. Let's see if this bad boy starts. It's been sitting for a week because I've been riding the bike. So I'm kind of curious. First try? First try. Woo! These things are filthy. Pretty bad. Look at this. Jesus, how do you let your car get this bad, Joseph? Fiberglass. Looks like it's got a bass boat.
Did the rear end. Pulled it back out, hadn't washed it yet. Got the rear end broke in. Then pulled it in, pulled the motor. So I haven't washed this thing in like 7 months.
Horrible. You're a terrible owner. Doing a little bit of parts organizing, all the Mustang parts. We're moving to these containers here because we got a water leak over here that our freaking landlords don't want to fix, and we didn't realize how bad it was. So now we might have lost $300 set of fans because the box was sitting under there and it got soaked. And look at this, brand new, brand new. It's still dripping water out of it. So we don't know if this works. Gotta let them dry out to see, but our luck is they don't work. All right, check it. This is pretty sweet. So we got, I'm using the gimbal. Doesn't really work real well. You guys lost me. Oh, there I am. Oh, look how nice it looks. I'm gonna switch cameras. This is really hard to do. I'm a new gimbal operator, but yeah, look at that. It's kind of cleaned up a little bit. It always gets so much worse before it gets better. But I can walk in here, so that's nice. Next is washing these bad boys because they look super dirty. It's ball.
Washing it? Oh, that's cool. They're great. Oh, that's
nice.
okay. Good dripping.
lot better in here. I mean, it's still a tiny garage, but we now have room here. Before we did not, and we definitely have room here, because before all this was getting really obnoxious. But man, they look good. That ceramic coating by McGuire's is actually pretty dope. Like it's pretty slick. I'm not gonna say it's actual ceramic coating, but it definitely is worth the money in my opinion. Anyways, guys, that about wraps it up for this little garage cleaning ordeal vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this little vlog garage clean video of randomness. As always, I love each and every one of you. Hit that apex, throttle out, and keep going to your number one. Peace out.